Wow, what do we got here? Let's see. Ooh, impossible. Mandinga soup, Mexican meatball soup, burrito, fries, and wow, that's a lot of Mexican culture food. Wow, beverages, mango, liches, kids meal, quesadilla, beverages, and that left menu looks the same as the right menu. Perhaps I can taste one of the Mexican food I can eat. Chicken burrito, tasty, but I don't know, my stomach would agree. But meatball soup, ooh, I can wait to eat that Mexican meatball soup. Especially, I can't wait until tomorrow. I'm going to Mexico with my family. Oh, about Mexico tomorrow, my family and I are not going to use our wings to fly. We're using the cruise to get there. A vacation casino cruise where we sleep there, have fun, eat buffet and stuff. Of course, I bet Mexico is going to be nice. If once my family and I were in Mexico, I'll do anything to learn Mexican culture and all the stuff from Panchito, my handsome Prince Charming of Mexico. Anything for Panchito. Now, in the meantime, I'm going to order one of the Mexican food. I'm thinking Mexican meatball soup. I can wait to eat it. Boy, oh boy, looks like I finally got myself the Mexican meatball soup. According to the Google search, this meatball soup is Mexican culture from Mexico. I'm so lucky I can learn to try Mexican culture food from Panchito. Anything for Panchito. That's a little hot. Oh, good thing I take my gloves off and of course, you might see my hands are really human because I both pluck and save off the feathers out of my hands so my naked bare hands can be easy to touch. So I can touch and feel things like tortillas is rough. It tastes good, but this is a little bland. Let's see if I try this. Better. This tastes better with sauce. Instead of plain chips that might taste bland without cheesy sauce and anything sauce. Better. Like I say it again. I wonder what kind of tasty sauce is this that make the chips taste good. I wonder what's that. Taste delicioso. Wow, I can't believe I say delicioso out of my Spanish confidence. I am learning from my dearest handsome Prince Charming of Mexico, Panchito. Panchito, this is for you. Yep, super delicioso. Wow, that's a huge meatball I ever seen. Oops, I better clean my inner lips. You see what I mean? See what I mean? This is hard to bite. Too big for my mouth. Perhaps I'll cut it little bits so I can slice it into bits. I don't know why I'm some of the little lady like my mother, even before she passed away. And just make sure my microphone's still on. This is my delicioso. Batter up. I don't know why I say batter up, but I meant to re-say it. Here comes another tortilla and meatball soup sauce. Delicioso. Wait, who's there? Oh, it's only Mickey Mouse and Minnie. Mickey and Minnie? I just can't believe it's Mickey and Minnie here. Anyway, I'll finish my meatball soup and the tortillas. Wow, I can't wait for the 3 Caballeros to come. See you later, amigos and amigas. Yeah, that's it. Amigos for men, amigas for women. Yes. Got it. All right. Adios. I'm starting to love this Mexican meatball soup. I can see why Panchito loved it. Delicioso.